Earlier this hour, Forbes rang the opening bell ahead of Thursday's Iconoclast event, which bring together influential deal makers, financial titans, investors, and market movers. Joining me now are Phillips, Forbes CEO, and Maneet Ahuja, Forbes editor-at-large and Iconoclast founder. Great to have you both here, and it was your first time ringing the opening bell. How was it, Maneet?
Thank you so much. It's such an honor to be here, and really it was incredible. It was iconic. There was no better way to ring in Iconoclast than the Iconoclast Summit.
Sherry, your first time too.
It was thrilling. It was such an honor, as Maneet said, and just celebrating so many people and so much hard work from Forbes, including Maneet. So really exciting to celebrate this.
Well, Maneet, tell us what can be expected at the Iconoclast event.
Thank you. So this is the first year we're going to be live streaming. We have a ton of deal makers, including NYSE President Lynn Martin, which we're extremely excited about, Ken Griffin from Citadel, BlackRock's Larry Fink, and a host of others. We have 17 countries represented and over $20 trillion in capital in the room. So we're really excited to hit on all the key topics in the news today, including tariffs and more.
Sherry, the theme is seizing opportunity in a dynamic market, and certainly a high-profile list of guests that you have. Talk to us about some of the themes you think you'll hit. Obviously, tariffs, as Maneet mentioned, likely a hot topic there.
I think really it's going to be a diverse set of voices, which we always welcome at Forbes. Obviously, as you said, tariffs will be on there, but I think it's about what's ahead, what the future looks like. Obviously, AI will play a part in that, but it's really about the markets and what we can expect, some look backward that shows us the future.
Maneet, how do you think this year is different than years past?
I just think we're at such a seminal moment of market uncertainty and volatility that every day, we're here on the New York Stock Exchange, we're seeing that in real time, and so I think that everyone's voice has a unique value to get the ear of the administration, but also the ear of the markets.
That's exactly it, though, Sherry. I talk to a lot of CEOs who just say, we don't know, because we need to see what actually happens in terms of some of these trade deals. And despite that, the market really continues to tick higher. I was just talking about it's more than 20, the S&P 500 is more than 20% off the lows. So there's certainly investor optimism in the face of this uncertainty.
I think with any investor and any company right now, it's all about preparedness for pivoting around what the market's doing. So again, you mentioned yesterday was up. It is a roller coaster for so many people on this floor, I'm sure, but it's about how we forecast for preparedness, and not only for the rest of this year, but into the future.
Yeah, every day is certainly a new adventure. We started the year with a lot of optimism, though, about the new administration in terms of deal making and just a more pro-growth administration. Is that optimism still there, do you think?
I think it depends on who you speak to. We've had a lot of exciting prep calls, and some people are still very optimistic about the opportunities there. I think it's just about maybe refining the messaging. I don't want to speak on behalf of any of the speakers, but it is a bit of a group think. We have Ken Griffin, who's certainly been very, very vocal, and was a key Republican supporter heading into the year and excited about the administration. I think we're excited to see what he's going to say tomorrow.
Yeah, a lot of, as we said, high-profile guests. All the big names in business will be there. Sherry, what are you hoping to learn from the event?
I really want to hear what deals are getting made right now, if people are optimistic about those deals, whether they're JV. It seems like there is momentum around that, so it'd be great to hear from the top what we can expect and the process of those deals right now.
Maneet, I'll give you final words as founder of Iconoclast. Just final thoughts heading into the event.
I think we all need to look at the markets and stay tuned.
Yes. Well, we certainly will. That's Maneet Ahuja, Forbes editor-at-large and Iconoclast founder, and of course, Phillips, Forbes CEO.